Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're going to make a very special South Indian sweet recipe, Boli. This is a golden yellow sweet pancake with sweet split chickpea filling. So first take around 1 cup of all-purpose flour, add in some salt and some turmeric powder for a yellow color and some powdered sugar. Here I am adding around 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, or also called as ghee. Just mix it and combine it. Then add some water little by little and make this into a dough. Now once it comes to a dough, add some oil and knead this really well. Now you have to keep this dough aside for 10 to 15 minutes. And now next step is just optional. I added around 1/4 cup of oil into this dough to make it more soft. This oil will not get absorbed into the dough. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can strain out the oil. Now cook the chickpeas in a pressure cooker, adding some turmeric powder. After around 3 to 4 whistles, our chickpea will be cooked perfectly. Now strain it out. Our chickpeas have cooked perfectly. Now mash the chickpeas really well, but still it will be having this fine bits and pieces of it. But with the help of a strainer, you can get rid of all those pieces. Our super fine mashed chickpeas is ready. Now heat some ghee in a pan and roast these mashed chickpeas. This will give a very nice flavor for it. Now slowly all the water will get evaporated and it will get into a powdered form, like this. Once you start getting a nice aroma from the chickpeas, add some cardamom flour and 1 cup of powdered sugar. You can also add brown sugar or even melted jaggery. Once it gets heated up, the sugar will get melted and it will become a dough like this. Now transfer it into a large bowl and allow it to cool down. And start making balls out of these chickpeas when it is still warm. And if it's not coming together like balls, you can add some milk or even clarified butter. So I could make around 15 balls from this quantity. Now our dough is also ready. Strain out the excess oil from that and flatten it on your palm. Now place a chickpeas ball in the middle, cover it and take out the excess dough from that. You just need a very thin layer of dough around the chickpeas ball. Now you have to roll it out with the help of rice flour. Don't use all-purpose flour for this, or else your bolis will become very hard. Roll it out into a thin sheet. As this is very soft and fragile, carefully take it and place it on a non-stick pan. Once you start seeing these bubbles, flip this for 2 to 3 times and cook it. Just before taking it out from the pan, apply some clarified butter on top and take it out. Make all the bolis in the similar way. We made around 10 to 11 bolis. Even though I made 15 chickpea balls, the chickpea balls were so delicious, so we ate it in between. So finally, I could make only 10 to 11 bolis. As you can see, these bolis are so soft and it is so delicious. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting videos from our channel. Thank you.